Imagine this. It's Google's Discover page, but instead of those boring articles, it now has YouTube Shorts, Insta Reels, and funny tweets from X all in one feed. That's exactly what Google's planning for with a major new update to its Discover page in the Google app. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your favorite hub for all the tech news. Google is going to reshape content discovery by now integrating content from social platforms like Instagram, X, and YouTube Shorts directly into Discover. That means your feed won't just be news and vlogs, but you might start seeing viral reels or trending tweets from your favorite creators. But here's the twist. While this opens the door to a more personalized and dynamic feed, it also raises concerns. The update doesn't yet clarify who will manage the content. Will it be us or the algorithm? So if you'd rather not have your feed filled with posts from X, you might be stuck. For now, due to this concern, Google's also rolling out a much requested feature, which is the ability to follow specific creators and publishers. It's similar to liking some pages on Facebook, but more customizable. You'll be able to browse a selected feed of content only from the people and sites you follow, giving you more control over what Discover has for you. Discover is becoming more than just a news hub. It's becoming a personalized media launcher, one that bridges the gap between traditional articles and social content. As these features roll out, expect Discover to become your go-to spot for everything from tech news to TikTok drama, whether you like it or not. What do you think about this feature? Is it gonna be fun? Share your thoughts in the comments and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.